Funky Monkey Juice, so sweet and nutritious. It comes in pineapple, citrus and berry treat. Sip the fun, feel the beat. Funky Monkey, the juice you need.
Some days ago, a client hit me up a proposal to collaborate with their brand as they intend to refresh the market with new sets of flavors which are pineapple, citrus, and strawberry. By the way, it's a non-alcoholic beverage industry that is based in Asia, but due to NDA conditions, I won't be going deep into the terms and conditions of the collaboration. All what I intend to talk about in this particular context is the creative process that I indulge in as to how I got the job done. So immediately after our initial meeting, I was given all the necessary tools needed to get the job done. From there, I proceeded on to draw out a wireframe of the idea with the client, and I shared it with her, and she was highly impressed. After my experience with the wireframe, and after she agreed as well with the wireframe, I decided to bring my idea that are already on the wireframe to life with the help of Adobe After Effects and Blender. This job actually took me 3 hours to complete. As a matter of fact, all the things you can see here on my screen are all CGI effects. You don't need expensive production equipment to get this job done. All you need is your laptop that has a strong graphics card and the ability and your own personal ability to learn as fast as you can. First, you model your object and animate it in Blender, just like what you have here, just like what you can see in front of you, and thereafter you decide to move into your Adobe After Effects to break down the remaining compositions needed to get the job done. So in After Effects, the first thing you do in After Effects is you create a text. As soon as you create the text, you add the flicker effects to it. If you don't know how to create a text flicker effect, I will advise you to check out my previous tutorial where I did a procedural guide, a procedural walkthrough on how to create your own text flicker effects with the help of Adobe. And for the images of the fruit, I was able to get stock images of the fruit. Decided to remove the background with the help of the BG remover, and for the last frame, it was also designed in Blender. Remember, the instruction I was given was to make an insightful and engaging 10 seconds commercials. So for this entire project, I didn't have any reason to collaborate with anyone. I did everything from the start to finish. That kind of like made me to be able to maximize enough profits. I was able to write out the scripts. After I was done writing the scripts, I proceeded on to the Artlist AI website where I was able to get the services of a professional voiceover. So for this particular website, you can decide to pay for either a month or yearly subscription, whichever one that is convenient for you. But for me, I decided to pay for a year subscription. So immediately after everything, I edited it in my Adobe Premiere Pro, added sound effects, edited the voiceover in Adobe Premiere Pro, and I also did color grading. And that was my experience. Like they say, knowledge is power. Feel free to join my WhatsApp community so that you can interact with other enthusiasts like you and learn more. And if you feel you have a brand out there and you want us to collaborate, feel free to hit me up. I can't wait to collaborate with you, and above all, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.